Best matched betting sites reviewed. Our free guide to matched betting covers the basics, but paid sites can take it to the next level. We review Profit Accumulator and Odds Monkey. Benefits of paid matched betting services. Ultimately, you only want to be paying for a premium service if it increases your profit from matched betting or saves a lot of time. All the sites below will do both, so if you're serious about making the most money, it is worth subscribing to one. Generally speaking, the main benefits of paying for a matched betting service are: live odds matchers, latest reload offers, which you may otherwise miss, automated calculations, personalized tracking, detailed guides, tutorials and videos, private forums and community, one-on-one support, review of matched betting sites. We have used and tested all the services reviewed on this page. Each site has its key strengths, so it depends on what you value most. For example, some newbies may prefer tutorials, whereas more experienced matched bettors may be after advanced software and tools. Odds Monkey. Most established and the developers of the first odds matcher software. What is Odds Monkey? Odds Monkey started life many years ago, focusing on building odds matching software. They recently relaunched their website to extend their offering and enter the matched betting full-service space. Key benefits: daily offer calendar, array of software and tools, odds matcher, Dutching, racing matcher, tennis matcher, each-way matcher, ACA matcher, casino offer hub, profit tracker software, spreadsheets, currently 15 available to download, active forum, intuitive design, free 30-minute one-to-one session with an Odds Monkey instructor, free trial. Free trial, £19.99 a month or £180 for the year. Profit Accumulator. Largest matched betting forums and most video tutorials. What is Profit Accumulator? Started by Sam Stoffel as a student, Profit Accumulator, PA, has grown to become the biggest matched betting service with over 150,000 paid customers. Key benefits. The forum is Profit Accumulator's biggest strength. Breadth of offers covered. Training content, currently 16 guides and 10 videos. Advanced tools, e.g. Match Catcher and ACA Catcher. 9 specific calculators. Spreadsheets. Free trial. Free trial, £29.99 per month or £199 for the year.